What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's one of those slide every turn videos, so welcome back. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, stay in tuned. Let's get into it. I can't tell if that's a cop. Not enough space. We'll take that one out of it. Not enough space. You know, gotta be safe. Gotta be safe. That would have been a good fucking road to slide through. I couldn't see, so I don't know if there's a fucking child over here, so that's why I didn't slide this one. So everybody fucking relax. I'm really getting tired of this color. I know I say that every video, but I'm really getting tired of this fucking color. I kind of wish I had like, okay, wait, time out. I don't wish I had a Hellcat. I can't even go that way, fuck. But I kind of like, I want to like drive one just to see like what it's like. I feel like I've came down this road before. This looks mad familiar. But I kind of want to like drive a Hellcat because like the way they slide is so fucking easy. Not that I'm having trouble in the M, but like I feel like it takes a little bit of a heavier foot. Oh yeah, I definitely went through this street. Oh yeah, this looks mad familiar. Do I go left? I'm gonna go left. Okay. flying through the fucking streets like me. But I do feel like a Hellcat or a Scat Pack would like, they have no fucking traction. Like, I feel like they just spin. I definitely want to try one. I gotta get a friend that has a Hellcat that wants me to, that gives me the opportunity to fucking test drive it. I haven't seen a turn yet. The fuck? I haven't seen a safe turn. Oh wait, I just came through here. Fuck that was. I feel like I'm in the boondies. Whoa. 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 You dig? I don't even know. These roads are so fucking whack. I didn't slide this one because I'm trying to see something. Okay, okay. Look at this dickhead. Oh, I know where I am. Fucking fire department. Alright, you guys are being stupid. I didn't turn that one because there's a fucking kid, and two, there was too many cars. I don't want to fucking mac for some views. It's the last thing I want to do. Ugh. Too small. Go down there. Yeah, I'm being fucking strategic on where I'm fucking drifting my fucking car, my possession. So if you motherfuckers in the comment section like, oh, why you drift that one? Go suck a fucking dick. How about that? How about fucking that? Get off me. I drift where the fuck I want to drift. In my fucking car where I want to fucking drift it, okay? Oh, that's fucking Copart. Should fucking sneak in there, see if I can find something. Whoa. There's nothing going on. That's the sound of my bike. Vroom, vroom. There. Silly. There. Silly. There. Silly. Damn, this is one long ass fucking road. Yeah, baby. Get the fuck out the street. I go like, ooh. Yeah. Oh yeah, that really was Copart. Look. Got more shit. Look at that. R.I.P. Bottle. I'm gonna end it there. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and stay in tuned, and I'll see you in another motherfucking video.